Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to make these crab egg rolls. We're going to New Orleans, y'all. We're going to New Orleans. So I got some jumbo crab meat. It's some big old chunky meat too. And then we're gonna put some garlic, fresh garlic, a little Creole seasoning, Tony's Creole seasoning. You don't want too much because you don't want to be salty. Of course, we're gonna use DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce. DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce. So I have some here. It's gonna help bind it together. It's just another way you can use this remoulade sauce that goes with everything. Then we have an egg, one egg, some melted butter, some breadcrumbs. I have panko breadcrumbs, so Japanese style breadcrumbs, and then we have some fresh parsley. We're gonna just mix all this together. We've done that crab. This is gonna be a great binding. And you see I didn't put too much seasoning. One, the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce has a good flavor, you know, seasoning, spice in it, sweet, tart, whatever. And then I put the Creole seasoning, but you don't want too much of that in there because you still want the flavor of the crab meat. Okay, so this should be good enough. You see how it is? It should be good enough to go ahead and start rolling our egg rolls. I have my egg roll and I have a little bit, so we're getting ready to roll our egg rolls together. So we've already done our crab mixture. I have the egg rolls and I have a little bit of water and egg white here, and I'm just gonna take that and brush that off 4 corners. Then we're gonna take our egg, we're gonna take our mixture, crab cake mixture, and we're gonna fill it up. Make like a burrito basically on this. So you're gonna take the corner, you're gonna roll it, take this corner like that, and you're gonna roll it up. And you should come with something that looks like that. Okay? And we're just gonna continue to repeat that. To let you know, this made about 5, and it was the 8-ounce lump crab meat. And I could have stuffed them a little less. So now we're gonna get ready to fry our egg rolls. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna put them in the hot oil. The oil is hot. Fry until they get gold and crispy. So I'm gonna take the egg rolls out. And there we have it, crab egg rolls. So I'm getting ready to cut into them, into the egg rolls. Cut into our crab egg rolls here. I'm gonna put a little parsley on them. And there you have it, crab egg rolls. We gotta put some, let me put a little parsley. See that? We're gonna dip them with DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go in and taste the lump crab egg rolls with my DivineKuizine remoulade sauce as the dipping sauce. So let's taste. Definitely needed the sauce. It's good. The remoulade gave it a hint of spice that I think the crab cakes needed. They're very, very good. You can taste that crab, the sweet, that buttery crab. But the remoulade took it to another level in this aspect. It gave it that little bit of kick, a spice, sweet, more of a spice. So to get this recipe and many more, you see how easy it was. I mean, you season it up. You put it in that egg roll real quick and easy. They would think you was bougie. Like, oh y'all, I made some crab cake egg rolls. Come on over. If you had a dinner party, they don't think you real bougie. And then of course you got your DivineKuizine remoulade dipping sauce. To get this recipe and many more, go to DivineKuizine. Chef Shay. Love y'all.